Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you a delicious chicken recipe with multi-purpose homemade masala. It's really mouth-watering and tempting. Before making this recipe, prepare a homemade masala. You can store it in airtight container for minimum 3 months. For making this masala, heat up a pan. Roast 15 chilies, lavangi and bedgi over low flame. Take it out. Add 5 bay leaf. Stir for just 30 seconds. Take it out. Next, add 4 tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, put a strainer so that we can easily fry the spices and drain out the oil. Add 2 tablespoon whole black peppercorn. Cook it for just 30 seconds. Drain out the oil and transfer it. Next, add 4 teaspoon cloves. Reduce the heat and shake the strainer. Cook for just few seconds. Drain out the oil and transfer it. Then add 3 big cardamom. Cook for just 10 seconds. Transfer in a bowl. Add 3 star anise. Shake the strainer and cook for just 15 seconds. Take it out, then add small pieces of 15 cinnamon. Fry until it lightly color change like this. Next, add a small piece of nutmeg. Cook for 10 seconds. Take it out and transfer it in the bowl. Next, add 6 tablespoon coriander seed. Shake the strainer continuously until it lightly color change like this. Drain out the oil and take it out. Next, add 2 tablespoon black mustard seed. Cook for just 30 seconds. Next, add 2 tablespoon cumin seed. Fry until it lightly color change. See the nice color. Drain out the oil. Next, add 4 teaspoon fennel seed. Cook for just few seconds because the oil is too much hot. Take it out. Drain out the oil, then add 2 tablespoon poppy seed. Fry just for 30 seconds and immediately transfer it. Be careful, poppy seed should not burn. Drain out the oil properly and then transfer into bowl. Cool them down. Divide it into 2 parts and then grind them coarsely. After grinding, open the lid, add the bay leaf. Tear the bay leaf before adding. Add a teaspoon turmeric powder and the roasted red chili and grind them into powder. You can sieve the ingredient if you like fine powder. Our multi-purpose masala is done. Store it in a airtight container. Next, I am going to share a delicious chicken recipe with this flavorful masala. The taste will be unbeatable, but I will share this recipe shortly, otherwise the video will be too long. Let's get started. I have taken 500 gram chicken and added ginger, garlic, green chili paste along with some salt and kept aside for 1 hour to marinate it. Next, prepare 2 fried potato like this. Prepare 2 medium sized tomato, 2 onion and handful of coriander leaves. Next, add few coriander leaves and chopped onion and tomato like this. Let the oil heat up, then add chopped onion, tomato and cook until oil release. Then add remaining coriander leaves. Add a teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well and cook until onion tomato is soft. By this time our chicken has been well marinated. Pour the marinated chicken. Turn to medium heat and keep stirring to let heat evenly, and well combine the masala with chicken. While making this recipe, don't turn to low heat. Stir gently. By this method, you can make a tasty and tender chicken. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until release the chicken juice. Next, I will add the fried potato. In this recipe, don't add the small piece of potato. Next, put a lid and cook for 5 minutes over low flame. After 4 to 5 minutes, open the lid, give a good mix. Next I am going to add our previously prepared masala. Add 2 tablespoons of this multi-purpose masala. You can make any type of recipe, especially non-veg, anda curry, fish curry with this masala. Reduce the heat, put a lid, cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and add some curd. I have added 2 tablespoons curd. While combine the curd with chicken while making this recipe, don't skip the curd because it will balance the taste. Cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Check with the spatula whether the chicken is well cooked or not. See, our chicken is well cooked. It's so mouth-watering and appetizing. See the nice color. Next, add half glass hot water. You can adjust gravy according to your choice. Add some salt as per your taste. Cook for just 2 to 3 minutes over medium to high heat. Friends, our chicken recipe is almost done. Dear friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. I need your support. Thanks for watching.